together. Okay. You shoot right there. Yeah. We'll knock that red one. Kind of solid.
Red or get the green.
Let me point. Here, get down. And look through the ball.
Yeah.
And you want to hit it right here. Okay?
Okay, I'm doing your little hands like that. You're not helping me.
Don't look. Here's step. You're going like that.
I am.
Like angle it so that this is just rest in between. Alright. Okay. Put your finger in a little bit more.
Left. It's resting.
But weird is even on weekends, like I'll wake up at like 5, 6 in the morning. It's the best feeling in the world when you're like, I'm going back to
Hit
sleep.
it hard, but straight.
I say a lot of times at night, I wish I would wake up.
Right now, you're aiming right here. You need to hit the middle.
Guys, I cannot do this. Please let me do it over. Come on, let's do it over.
Do over.
How much you want to know? How much you want to bet?